In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce image file size in GIMP, a step-by-step guide tailored specifically for beginners. First things first, go ahead and open up the image that you'd like to work with. If you haven't done this before, simply launch GIMP, click on File in the upper left corner, then select Open. Navigate through your computer folders and choose the image you want to optimize. Once your image is open in GIMP, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's focus on exporting the image correctly. For this, you're going to use the Export As function. Head over once again to File, but this time select Export As. A dialog box will pop up. Here, you'll find a field where you can type the name of your file, followed by the file extension. To reduce the size of the file effectively, make sure you select JPEG as the file format, instead of something like PNG, which often results in larger file sizes. Once you've done that, click Export, and another dialog box will appear. In this new dialog window, you'll find a slider titled Quality. Adjust this slider to lower the image quality slightly, which in turn reduces the file size. A good range to aim for is between 70 and 80. By selecting a value in this range, you'll retain most of the image's visual quality while still significantly decreasing the file size. This is particularly useful if you're planning to upload the image online and need a lightweight version for faster loading. Next, consider resizing the image dimensions if you think it's necessary. This can be quite beneficial if the original image is larger than needed for its purpose. To resize, navigate to Image in the top toolbar, and then click on Scale Image. A box will pop up with options to change the width and height of your image. Ensure that the chain link between the height and width options remains intact, as this will maintain the image's original aspect ratio, preventing any unwanted stretching. Once you've decided on the new dimensions, simply hit Scale. With these steps completed, your newly optimized image is ready to be used. The file size should now be much more manageable, making it easier for sharing or uploading. Not only does reducing the size help in conserving storage space, but it also aids in maintaining swift upload speeds when using the internet. It's a simple yet effective method to keep your digital assets optimized. By following this guide, you've successfully learned how to reduce an image file size using GIMP, making it ideal for beginners who want to streamline their images without compromising too much on visual quality. Thanks for watching.